M12 fuel nibbler makes a clean, undistorted cut where I would get a real mess with my other tool. It makes my job way quicker.
The M12 Milwaukee Nibbler is superior to any other nibbler we've used. It's light, it fits good in the hand, and cuts very quick with the variable speed.
We use spiral duct on our job sites every day. The nibbler cuts through spiral like butter. The nibbler was very lightweight compared to having a circ saw.
It's light and it's easy to work with. It makes cuts that I can't make with any other tool.
You're coming up on the cut, there's more stress, so it slows itself down. But then once you get on plane again, coming straight, it speeds itself up. So it helps you keep a straighter cut.
I use the M12 4.0 battery, and with that I'm able to get through a full day.
What I like about the nibbler is that it's lightweight and it's easy to control. I can turn corners, I can make tight cuts. I can do things with the nibbler that I cannot do with a cutoff wheel. I've been in the business for about 30 years. I would recommend this nibbler to anybody who would make their job much simpler.